going to share my screen. That is my desktop. So guys, getting my desktop screen in a video.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So I already downloaded the material, whatever I shared with you. So this is what the folder Python lab. So I already downloaded. So I am straight away getting into that program. So from this is exercise number 1. That is very basic exercise. That is study experiment. Okay. Uh, this is for your record purpose only. We not did in our lab session because this is just an introduction about the Python interpreter. That is two modes available. We already discussed several times during our class session. This interpreter mode and interactive mode. So how these modes are going to be work, or how the user going to be work with Python in this mode. This is what the experiment number 1. And from 2 to 8, I think so. I my guess we already completed in our regular lab session. That is, eighth experiment is tuples. Yeah, two tuples. So, how many exercises we completed in lab? Have you having any idea how many we completed in our regular lab session? Up to pupils or up to dictionary? Anyone? Just answer, pa. Hello.
Mm,
Anyone? Please give the answer.
Sir, no idea,
How
sir.
many? What, pa? No idea.
no idea, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Uh, I guess up to dictionary. So you are going to execute, sorry, not the dictionary, up to tuples, eighth one. So from 9 to 14, you are going to execute your program using this online platform. Okay, wow. So the link I already shared with you in Google Classroom. So I will put the exercise number 10. So this is what the exercise. So you are going to execute only the file name with the extension called Python. That is .py. Okay, not this text document. This text document is purely for your theory session. So before getting into the program, what is my practice is I usually explain the theory concept over the program. That is what we have a discussion on the regular lab sessions. Okay, so don't execute the text file, execute the file with the extension .py. Otherwise, file type is Python file. That is what. Okay, so I already installed Python. So if you didn't install Python, you straight away open the file with the help of the notepad. Okay, that is what you are going to do. So I'm,
Sir,
yeah, help.
sir, actually, sir, I don't have PC, sir.
You don't have any PC. If it is
No, sir.
not, no issues. If you can also execute the same thing using the mobile. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so don't
Okay,
worry
sir.
about the machine, whether you're having a laptop, desktop, or mobile. This also works in mobile. Okay, so you straight away downloading the material from the Google Classroom. It's Python Lab. So if you click on the link, whatever I shared in the Google Classroom, it straight away redirect to you to the Google Drive. So from the drive, you can download the material. So entirely you will get this materials. Okay, from exercise number folder, exercise number 2 to 14, and another Word document file. Okay, so after downloading this to your mobile or PC, you are going to execute the thing whatever I am doing here. Okay, in either mobile or desktop, you are going to use the browser only. So this is what the link I shared with you in the Google Classroom. That is onlinegdb.com/online_python_interpreter. This is what I shared. Okay, so if you click on that link, or if you make a copy and then pasting the URL in the address bar of your browser, it will display the dashboard like this. Make sure that the selected language is Python 3, because there are so many languages available. This is an open compiler. It is online open compiler. So make sure that you are in Python 3. That is what the thing you want to check first. Then after that, you are going to delete all the things, whatever the thing displayed in that online interpreter, you are going to delete using the backspace key or delete key. So once you get deleted all those things, getting back to the file you open with the help of the notepad. So in this, what is the thing you are going to do means you are going to do Control A. Control A is used for selecting all the letters or characters or sentence or paragraph. Okay, so I'm going to select all the text available in the open file. So once you select all that, with the help of Control plus A, the next step you are going to copy. So Control plus C. So after Control plus C, you are getting back to the online interpreter platform. So in that, you are going to use the paste option, or else you are going to use the shortcut Control V. So this is what the thing. After pasting, check all the program, all the lines in the program get displayed or anything missed or not. So once you make sure that, you are going to use the option called run in the top of the window. So run, you are going to click over that. So once you click over that, it will display the output under the bottom. It is the bottom of the window. It shows the output. This is a long output. So I will show that starting from this, and it will ends on this. So this thing only you are going to take a screenshot and going to share with my mail ID. So I will explain how to take a screenshot. Okay, so in this, there is one arrow, double arrow in the diagonal opposite facing. So click over that arrow. So in this also, you didn't got the entire thing. You didn't got the entire screen. So what you are going to do means, from the first window to second window, there is a gray color separation line. So in that separation line, if you click over that, means the cursor changes. See that cursor? This is a normal pointed cursor, and while I am going to in between from first window to second window, the separation changes. The separation cursor changes. So click over that, and I am going to drag upwards so that I will get all the output in a single shot. So after completion of this, I'm going to use the print screen option in the desktop, desktop keyboard or laptop keyboard, anything may be. Some keyboards has the shortcut alt plus print screen. Some keyboards straight away you can use the print screen option. Make sure that which one applicable to your laptop or desktop keyboard. Okay, so in my laptop I'm having the option print screen straightly, so I'm clicking the print screen straightly. After clicking on that, I'm going to use the option called paint. The shortcut is MS Paint. So in that I'm going to paste the screen. So you can save the entire screen, or else you can use the select option and then rectangular selection. Then you can crop the thing whatever you record or you need. So I selected this and then I am clicking over the crop. So crop button, and then I'm going to save as JPEG picture. So actually I took the exercise number 10. So make sure that you are going to name the file with the help of the exercise name only. So exercise number 10. Okay, I'm going to save this. So once you save, you close this, and after that, here also you are going to clicking over the minimizing the maximized window. Okay, so after that, after completion of this exercise, you are going to move to the next exercise, that is exercise number 11. So for that you are going to use the new file. That is, before run button there is one small symbol like a book. So that is called as the new file. So clicking over the new file, it will ask for the name. Once you give the name, it will display the new window. Okay, so in that again you are going to repeat the steps whatever I followed in exercise number 10, and you are going to take the screenshot. This is for PC users, that is desktop users or laptop users. If you are using the mobile, the same thing you are going to follow, but in the browser. So screenshot option, you already very familiar with that. So you can take the screenshot. It differs for mobile to mobile. So I'm not sure. So you know very well about your screenshot shortcuts in your mobile. So once you completed this, you are going to use this maximize, and then you are going to take the screenshot of that and going to save the, or you can name the file with the help of the exercise name itself. Exercise number 10 means 10, 12 means 12, 14 means 14. So the last thing, so here I save, this is what the output I saved. So you can also send this images alone to my mail ID, that is exercise number 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 5 to 6 images it will come. You are going to share that images alone to my browser, but collectively. Okay, so to my mail ID collectively, not individually. Don't send exercise number 10 first time, then second time 11 and 12, and then 13 and 14. Don't send like that. You are going to club all the output collectively, and then you are going to mail to my mail ID or share to my mail ID. Okay, so no other options. So this is one way. Second way, if it is occupies too much space or too much things you thought in your folder or desktop, anything maybe, you can also put that in the Word document. So I will explain that also. So in Word, so open up the Word document and drag and drop the file. So this is the file. There's exercise number 1. Sorry. Before that, I'm going to name that exercise number 10. Then I'm going to paste this. So like this. So not paste. So likewise, again I'm going to use this exercise number 11, and then again I'm going to paste the screenshot whatever I taken from MS Paint. Okay, so once it's all completed, here also I'm going to save, but here what I'm going to use means Python lab programs. That is what I'm going to use as a file name. So this document contains entire files output. Okay, this is what you can also do in this fashion, or you can share the screenshot of the individual files alone. Okay, so this is what the thing. So up to this, I will wind up the session. So I'm getting back to the session. It is job sharing. So this is what the thing. So guys, are you clear with this? Got my point? Whatever I explained.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
After this, I'm going to wind up. I'll stop the recording.